The
First
chemical
is
property is
iodized salt.
toxicity.
The chemical
Swallowing
name
too
is
much salt
potassium
can be
iodide, and
poisonous.
the chemical
Typically results
formula
in a
is
feeling of
NaCl.
confusion and jitteriness. More
And
severe
now for
degrees
the
of
physical and chemical
intoxication can
properties
cause
and its
seizures
uses.
and coma, an
First is the
abnormally
physical
high sodium
property,
level in
which
blood.
is melting point is 801 degrees Celsius and can be easily vaporized at 801 degrees Celsius above. It's soluble in water or it will be easily to dissolves in water. Used in flavoring and for preserving food, it also helps to prevent some diseases like goiters and etc. Second is baking soda. The chemical name is sodium hydrogen bicarbonate and the chemical formula is NaHCO3. And now for the physical and chemical properties and its uses. The physical property is it's soluble in water. The chemical property is also toxicity. When you swallow too much baking soda, you'll experience vomiting and diarrhea. Used as leavening agent in baking, can relieve itchy in our skin and whiten our teeth. Third is soap. The chemical name is sodium stearate. The chemical formula C17H35COO. And now for the physical and chemical properties and its uses. The physical property is soap is soluble in water. The melting point is about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The chemical property is oxidation of soap. Ability to clean our body and disinfect our surroundings from harmful bacteria and dirt. Soaps remain one of the most useful and fundamental hygiene tool that mankind ever created. Next is the examples of molecular compounds. First is vinegar. The chemical name is acetic acid. The chemical formula is CH3COOH. The physical property is the boiling point, which is 118 degrees Celsius, and the melting point at 16 degrees Celsius. And now for the chemical property of the vinegar, which is oxidation. Rust on iron results from oxidation, and it is an example of corrosion. Vinegar contains acetic acid, so the acetic acid in vinegar can serve as the electrolyte needed in the electrochemical metal oxidation.